Bigivco here with another tip. I'm going to show you how to change out a radio antenna base gasket on a 97 Honda Civic LX. Things get kind of dry rotted after a while, so show you an easy way for you guys to change this stuff out. Just pull out 2 screws. Pop this loose, slide it up this way just a little bit. Now take and unseat your rubber base gasket, and boom, pulls right off. This right here, how those things get to looking. See how crusty it is around the edges and all this and that. Of course, don't know why. It's only 20-some years old. Anyway, get you a new gasket. They're about, I think, $5 or something like that down at the local dealership. No need to pull all the antenna wire, coax, and all that out. Just make sure everything's clean. You can use a little wax, polish remover, cleaner, a little WD-40 in it, cleaner your choice. Get any residue or any debris off of there, any gunk. And there's the new one. And just take and slide it. Yeah, let's go over the antenna first this time. Come right around, slide it on, and boom, there you go. It's got a little, there's a lip on this. Put the base gasket up over the lip of the antenna base. Make sure everything's kind of centered out and whatnot. There. It looks good. Always use a little anti-seize. I think these are stainless screws. Keep that stuff from rusting out in the future. Get both screws started in. Make sure everything's looking good. Go back and forth. Snug your antenna base up. Back and forth, tighten equally. Everything looks like it's really seated nicely around there. Clean up any black marks on there. There you go. Double check your screws one more time. And there you have it. How to replace your antenna, radio antenna base gasket on a 97 Honda Civic LX. Got to keep the old stuff going. Can't afford anything new. Got more trouble out of new ones anyway. What the heck? Keep on working on stuff, guys. Have fun with it. Till next time.